Highlights of the Strategic Review Report. Sustainable Development Goal 2 to end hunger, achieve food security and improve nutrition and promote sustainable agriculture must be given the highest priority for a country to achieve overall development. Food and nutrition security is achieved when all people in the country at all times have physical and economic access to sufficient, safe and nutritious food to meet their dietary needs and food preferences for an active and healthy life. Where are we? Despite having made significant progress on several of human development and health indicators, food security and nutrition continue to pose challenges. Sri Lanka ranks low in the Global Hunger and Food Security Indexes. Global Nutrition Report states that Sri Lanka has a stagnant acute malnutrition level while substantial regional disparities prevail. Undernourishment appears common in about a quarter of the population. The domestic food production has improved. Are we producing enough food for the future? The need for increased agricultural production. Issue of the yield levels of domestic food crops remaining at unimpressive levels. Production is affected by seasonal changes and extreme climatic conditions. The challenge is to ensure food security to those currently undernourished and also to feed the additional 2.4 million people expected to inhabit by 2050. The poverty level has decreased significantly. However, access to a nutritious diet remains a challenge. The production base has not adequately diversified towards producing nutritious food. Income inequality and high cost of nutritious food has reduced the purchasing power. Lack of nutrition knowledge and insufficient care when preparing food. Accessibility issues and poor market infrastructure. There are serious concerns on the proper utilization of available food. Urbanization and modern lifestyles have changed the food habits of many people. Preference for food consumption away from home. Shifting towards less nutritious and convenient food. Building demand for unsafe food through advertising. A high-level committee and multi-stakeholders gave direction to the National Strategic Review. The recommendations that emerged: adopt a cohesive, sustainable agricultural approach, aligning current practices and policies. Undertake integrated strategies to address stagnant malnutrition levels. Address the major gaps and weaknesses in current social protection systems to ensure effective safety nets to the most vulnerable groups. Embrace public and private partnership approaches to improve healthy food preferences along with efficient and stable supply chains. Increase public investment in agricultural infrastructure development, research and extension efforts. Develop a national strategic food reserve to ensure the availability of buffer stocks to maintain prices, consumption and nutrition security. Prioritize the implementation of national initiatives to better withstand natural disasters and climate change impacts. Strengthen existing insurance programs and make them index-based. That ends the highlights of the findings and recommendations of the National Strategic Review of Food Security and Nutrition leading to Zero Hunger.